My video team is super interested in the product.
Yeah.
Here is the problem. We need a bottle of wine. Okay, we have a strange request. We're here with the Verge wine aerator. And basically, if you want to aerate your wine, instead of pouring it in a decanter and waiting several hours, you're supposed to just be able to put this on the neck of the wine, pour it, and it will be able to aerate it for the equivalent of anywhere from 1 to 24 hours. So the aerator has a super simple interface. You just choose how many hours you want it to aerate it by tapping. So you can go as high as 24 hours worth of aeration in a pour. It's an equivalent, so it's sort of hard to test if it's actually going to give you a precise 24 hours worth of aeration. But the company has an app that is supposed to kind of estimate for you how much you should aerate the given bottle of wine you're about to pour it through, and you just do that by taking a photo of the bottle of the wine. It'll analyze what you're pouring and then give you a recommendation about what you should set it to. But it's really easy to control on your own. You can kind of just dial in your preference. So we have 2 glasses of wine here. This one has been aerated for the equivalent of a few hours. This one is fresh out of the bottle. I'm gonna taste them both, see if I can tell the difference. I am not great with wine, so we'll see, but it should be interesting. I guess I'm gonna go with the regular first. I can't describe it. It has wine smell. I would say it's like a good one as far as that goes. This does smell different. It's. I don't think this smells as strong. It's like a lighter smell. Yeah. Dang, what the heck, man? This might be working. The smell is just like mostly gone. It's like not there as much. Straight out of the bottle first. Ooh, man, the front of that tastes fine, and then it, that's much more pleasant. This is the aerated one. It tastes much more pleasant. This one was like very sour. This one, I think the sourness is gone in this one. I was extremely skeptical of this. I'm less skeptical now. Listen, I'm not a wine expert. I want to make that very clear. But this one is definitely much, much smoother than this one. And it literally just like went through this aerator before we poured it. So that's pretty neat. So the Verge aerator is gonna launch on Indiegogo in March. It'll sell for $100. It's supposed to start shipping in June. So you could be aerating your wine with this thing by the summer. Our producer says it's strong and bold. It's got some Malbec, some, I can't remember what else. No.